So I often tell guys we use only the highest quality raw materials when we are making these jackets. They are, after all, being worn by kings across the continent. But today what I'm going to do is show you something very cool, a very cool thread we use on the buttonholes. Let's do this. So this is the ordinary thread that everyone else uses. This is the thread that we use at King Sidney. Now, I know what you're probably thinking, eh? This skinny Michael Jackson glove having guy can't even tear a piece of paper. How is he going to pull apart that thread? Really? 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 How can you think that about your fellow Kenyan? Contrary to what you might believe, I am no slouch. But maybe you're right. Maybe it's me. Let's get someone a lot bigger and a lot stronger than me. The guy behind the camera, Arnold, come for a bit. So, here we have Arnold, one of the finest photographers in the land. A lot bigger, a lot stronger. This guy is like 6 foot 92 inches. So let's have him do it instead. This is the ordinary thread. This is the King Sidney thread. You know what the problem might be? Maybe it's because Arnold is not a gym guy. Okay? So let's go a level higher. Let's get a much stronger individual and see how this goes. Bro, don't quit your day job. This is Derek, my personal trainer. As you can see, he's a lot stronger than Arnold and I. So let's see him try to pull this thread apart. So, ordinary thread. And here is the King Sidney thread. When it's both of us, I'm sure with enough strength we can take it apart. I pull on that side, Derek. I think I need to take off my gloves. So both of us pulling on either direction comes apart. And there you have it, my friends. Only the finest of the finest for our King Sidney Kings. Cheers.